Hello guys, welcome to Creative Process DIY. My name is Vadim, and in today's video I'm gonna be installing a really cool device. This is DESLOC B200, and this is a convenient fingerprint smart lock. Have you ever forgotten your keys and accidentally locked yourself out? Or needed someone to check on your house and you don't have a spare key to give them? With a smart lock, these problems are of the past. Install a smart lock and you'll have one less thing to worry about. You can upgrade your home security with a smart lock that offers fingerprint, code, and app-based entry all in one device. This is a high-tech smart lock DESLOC B200 designed to make your home both more secure and easier to access. Unlock your door with your fingerprint, a PIN code, an IC card, or with your smartphone. Now let's open the box and see what we have inside. We have a user manual, an exterior lock, an interior lock, mounting plate with adhesive, different screws for this installation, a deadbolt, a strike plate, spare keys, 2 IC cards, and 4 AA batteries. You only need one tool for the whole installation. I'm gonna start removing an existing deadbolt. Now everything is ready for the installation. Adjust the length of the deadbolt if necessary. Make sure that the word up is facing up. Install exterior lock. Insert the cable below the deadbolt. The paddle must be in vertical status. The mounting plate has an adhesive on it and it allows a hands-free setup. All screws required for the installation are placed in individual bags and marked for easy installation. The installation of this smart lock took less than 15 minutes and it is super easy. Even if you are not a DIY person, you can still install it by following a really simple to understand installation instructions. As you can see, I almost finished with the installation of the smart lock. After installation of 4 AA batteries, we can move forward with installation of DESLOC app. You can find the QR code to download the app on page 9 of the user manual. Now you need to register an account with DESLOC app. You can register an account using phone number or email. Follow instructions to complete the registration process. Make sure your Bluetooth is enabled. Go back to your app and click Big Plus. Make sure you're close to your lock. Click Door Lock. Touch any key to activate the keypad. Click Next. Click the blue plus sign to add the lock. Choose door opening direction. And click OK. You can add IC cards, passcodes, fingerprints, and so much more in the app. You can customize the access you give to an IC card, passcode, or a fingerprint. You can choose a year, a month, a day, an hour, and even a minute when the access starts working and when it ends. There are so much you can do in the app. You can do different types of codes, such as permanent, timed, one time, and so much more. You can store up to 150 PIN codes and 50 fingerprints. So it's perfect for families or managing guest access. It's very easy to add a new fingerprint, just click Add Fingerprint. You can also here choose start and end time, name it, and so much more. Follow directions on your smartphone and place your finger several times on the sensor. As you can see, it's very easy. The smart lock uses its AI-powered fingerprint recognition technology with an impressive 99% recognition rate and a lightning-fast recognition time of under 0.3 seconds. The integration of artificial intelligence enhances the lock's ability to quickly and reliably identify authorized users, making everyday access both secure and seamless. It's powered by 4 AA batteries that last up to a year.
The lock also includes a low battery indicator and a Type-C emergency power port, so you're always prepared even in unexpected situations.
So DESLOC B200 is far more than just a smart lock. It is a sophisticated smart device designed to fit in your home's ecosystem. With Bluetooth connectivity and compatibility with G2 gateway, this lock connects seamlessly to TT-Lock app and gives you a full control over your home security from anywhere. Whether you need to let a guest in while you're out, or you need to ensure that the package is secure, this lock provides a convenient way to do it at your fingertip. Plus, with voice control integration through Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, managing your home security has never been so easy. I'm gonna put a link in the description of this video where you can buy the product. As always, if you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video with others. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.